Did you know your hair has a superpower? It can predict lightning strikes. Scientists discovered that static electricity in your hair can detect storms 40 minutes before they strike. This early warning system is more sensitive than some weather instruments, potentially saving countless lives. But that's not all. At the quantum level, static electricity can actually teleport. Charges jump through solid barriers using quantum tunneling, completely defying classical physics. Mind-blowing. Here's the most shocking fact. Static sparks can create nuclear fusion. For a split second, they generate temperatures hotter than the sun's surface, enabling microscopic fusion reactions. Mind blown. Subscribe to Curiosa for more incredible science facts. Never look at static the same way again.